This pump works without electricity and is simple, safe, and easy to use. This is a manual breast pump. It has three main parts: the soft silicone cup, the hand press handle, and the milk collection bottle. To use the pump, place the silicone cup comfortably. Then gently press the handle by hand. This creates suction that helps express milk into the bottle below. One of the biggest advantages of this pump is that it requires no electricity. There are no batteries, no charging, and no wires. You can use it anytime, anywhere. This manual breast pump is lightweight, portable, and easy to clean. It's made from safe, high-quality materials and is comfortable for daily use. It's a great choice for travel, home use, or for moms who prefer a simple and quiet pumping option. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use breast pump, this manual breast pump is an excellent option. If this video was helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss future videos. Thank you for watching.